In order for you to move forward, forgive the people who hurt you, and God will make happy of what you do. And today, guys, I'm gonna show you a trending food. A moment. I just saw this to Opa's girl, you know, here. And we have actually two flavors. We have banana plain. Show me like this. It's a banana. Okay. So this one. So it's not actually the same as Opa's girl, but it's like totally the same. But let's try this one, and I will give this one to my sister and my love. And let us try this here. Let us try. Yummy. Ito nga mo. Nice. That is a plain banana with cookies. And we have here the choco banana. This is a choco banana flavored where there's no cookies. There's cookies also. Let's try this. So as you can see the difference. Let's try this. It's more choco. Let me try this choco. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day.